Hello, Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Thursday the 12th of June. Taking a look at tomorrow's weather map, we can see mostly clear skies across much of the country thanks to areas of high pressure. The exception is going to be South Australia, where we're seeing a low pressure system, cold front and low pressure trough moving through. They're going to bring some cloudier skies and more scattered showers to those areas through the course of our Thursday. Let's take a state-by-state look at tomorrow's forecast though, starting with Queensland. Now, it will be another cool start for much of Queensland tomorrow, so morning frosts are once again possible, particularly across those central and southern inland parts of the state. A dry and mostly sunny day will follow, however. It will be a little bit cloudier about the coast near Townsville and Mackay. We've got a little bit more moisture in the atmosphere in those areas. And we may also see some light isolated showers along the coast, anywhere between the Cape York Peninsula and around the central coast or so, but very little is expected in terms of rainfall totals from any showers that do develop. For Brisbane and southeast Queensland, we are looking at a mostly sunny day. Brisbane is heading for a top of 19 degrees tomorrow. Down in New South Wales, morning fogs and frosts are on the forecast once again across those inland areas, most likely across the southern inland parts of the state. We are going to see a mostly sunny to partly cloudy day following. We could see some showers developing about the coastal fringe through the afternoon, but little rainfall is expected from those showers as well. For Sydney, we are looking at a possible shower on the forecast at a top of 17 degrees. Down in Canberra, after a cold and frosty start, we're looking at a top of 13 degrees. In Victoria, morning fogs and frosts across inland areas, then a mostly sunny day following. We could see a little bit more cloud lingering in the south with the slight chance of a few isolated showers through Gippsland, but little is expected in terms of rainfall totals. Melbourne is heading for a mostly sunny day and a top of 15 degrees for our Thursday. Down in Tasmania, it will be a very cold start, with much of the state dropping below 3 or 4 degrees tomorrow. Inland areas dropping well below zero. So frost is on the forecast for much of Tasmania tomorrow, as well as some morning fogs. A mostly dry and sunny day will follow, although we could see a few light showers about the west coastal fringe, but they're likely to be very patchy. Hobart is heading for a partly cloudy day and a top of 13 degrees. In South Australia, our low pressure system, cold front and low pressure trough will be sweeping through. That means we're going to see partly to mostly cloudy skies across much of South Australia, a little bit more sunshine through the southeast, but we'll see scattered showers moving through from the west, mainly impacting the West Coast District, the Eyre Peninsula, southern parts of the pastoral districts and the York Peninsula as well. Now, rainfall totals are in general likely to be less than 5 or 10 millimetres, but we may see some slightly higher falls, particularly about the west coast of the Eyre Peninsula, where thunderstorms are a chance as well. For Adelaide and the southeast though, we're only expecting the very slight chance of a shower. More likely we'll see dry conditions through those areas. Adelaide is expecting a top of 18 degrees tomorrow. In Western Australia, patchy morning frosts across southern inland areas, including southern parts of the Southwest Land Division. Daytime conditions will be mild and mostly sunny across those northern parts of the state, slightly cooler and mostly sunny in the south, and we could see a few light showers about the southwest coast tomorrow as well. For Perth tomorrow, we are heading for a partly cloudy day and a top of 20 degrees. In the Northern Territory, patchy morning frosts are once again possible through those southern areas, although it won't be quite as cold as what we've seen over the past few mornings. Daytime conditions are likely to be dry and sunny across much of the territory as those southeasterly winds push up and across those areas. For Darwin, we're expecting a sunny top of 31 degrees tomorrow. Now, you can find the detailed forecast for your area via the Bureau's website, the BOM weather app and via our social media. Have a great day and we'll catch you next time.